Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, class, do you know what type of reaction we are going to do today?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Neutralization reaction. You know what a neutralization reaction is? It is that type of reaction where an acid combines with a base to give salt and water. To give salt and
Water.
But how will we do this? We will do this by a method called as titration. It is a standard lab method by which we can also get to know the concentration of an unknown solvents. Okay? So for that, we need burettes. We need burette stand. We need conical flask. We need a beaker. We need droppers, and we need our sample. From that, we will make a solution. But there is acid is combining with this base and giving salt and water. For that, I am using a magic solution known as indicator.
Indicator.
Here I am using phenolphthalein indicator. What indicator it is?
Phenolphthalein.
You know, phenolphthalein has a beautiful character. A beautiful character. Transparent. But when I'll put this phenolphthalein in a basic solution, that means in my NaOH solution, it will change its color. Is it changing its color?
Yes.
So what is the indication of presence of a base? That change in color. In presence of an indicator, it will change its color. Now, what will happen when this indicator, this phenolphthalein, is added to an acidic solution? Let's see. Is anything happening? Nothing. So, by this method, we will get to know about this burette. We will fill this burette. Make sure the knob is closed, and otherwise all the sample will be thrown out. We will fill the sample up to the mark. Look, is it up to the mark?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, place this burette in the burette stand. What? Now, in this conical flask, I have taken diluted HCl. Diluted?
HCl.
Now, in this HCl, I am going to add this indicator. And will the color change? No. Is the color changing? Nothing is happening. Even I can add 2 more drops. Nothing is happening. But when I am going to place this flask under this burette and start this titration drop-wise. What? Not in a random way, drop-wise. What is happening? The reaction is taking place between H from HCl and giving water. H and OH giving water, and Cl from HCl and Na from NaOH giving NaCl, salt. So, as soon as we are drop-wise and continuously stirring this, the color is changing. Is the color changing?
Yes, ma'am.
This color changing gives the end point of the reaction, where the acid HCl has lost its acidic character and the base has lost its basic character, which now react with the OH negatives of the NaOH. And if I will further increase the concentration of NaOH, no more further changes its acidic and basic characters. Now you understood what a neutralization reaction is?
Yes.
A reaction where an acid and base combines together to give salt and water. both the acid and the base lost their acidic and basic properties. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.